Applesauce is rich in fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling full. It's also a good source of vitamin C, which supports a healthy immune system. Plus, it's low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free snack. Since it's made with applesauce instead of eggs and dairy, applesauce cake is lower in cholesterol and saturated fats. Vegan frostings often use plant-based alternatives like coconut milk, nut butters, or avocado instead of traditional dairy products. These substitutions can provide healthy fats and nutrients like vitamins and minerals.